Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about chemical bonding chapter. In that chemical bonding, molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. My dear students, that molecular orbital theory we were discussed in earlier class. Now we are going to deal with that, how to use this molecular theory, how to solve, we have to find out bond order and all. Understood? So this is the okay. Now first we will discuss how to find a bond order in molecular orbital. Actually, bond order is a bond order, short form I used to write. Okay, my dear students, don't get confused. Number of electrons in a BMO minus number of electrons in a ABMO divided by 2. This is a formula to find out bond order of molecular orbital. My dear students, we will discuss one by one. Okay, please note down this formula. Number of electrons in a BMO minus number of electrons in a ABMO, antibonding molecular orbital. Okay. Shall I rub this? Okay. Okay, that you keep. Okay, now we are going to find out helium, electronic configuration of helium, electronic configuration and bond order of helium. Helium. Now my dear students, helium formula is He2. So He2 means one helium atom has how many electron it has? Atomic configuration, atomic number 2. So 1s2. Here 2 helium molecule is there, helium atom is there, so it is total 4 electrons. Total number of electrons, my dear students, total 4 electrons in a helium molecule. Correct? 4 electrons. So you know that hydrogen, helium, lithium, which electronic configuration you are using? Which electronic configuration you are using? That I explained last molecular orbital theory. Okay. Which electronic configuration you have to use? For example, that I will write once again, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s and pi 2px is equal to pi 2p, sorry my dear student, pi 2p, correct, and sigma 2pz and pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. My dear students, this electronic configuration is used this electronic configuration is used. Okay. But helium, same electronic this electronic configuration is used. But total how many electrons are there in helium? Total 4 electrons are there in helium, my dear students. So what I am going to write, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, okay, sigma star 2s is there actually. But how many electrons are there? 4 electrons. Each orbital can accommodate maximum how many electrons? 2 electrons. Correct? My dear students, I will give 2 electron to this one, 2 electron to this one, total 4 electrons. So here it is over. Helium molecular orbital electronic configuration. Helium electronic configuration. That means molecular orbital electronic configuration. Molecular orbital electron configuration. That I will write here, my dear students. Of helium, correct? So only 2 orbital is used, correct? No, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s2. No need of writing remaining part, my dear students. In exam also just you write only this much. Remaining formulas are given, electronic configurations are given like this. But generally, see, total 4 electron is there, 4 electron fills in this 2 orbital, it is enough. Okay, it is enough. And next is energy level diagram of this particular, energy level diagram of helium. See, this is energy increases. This way. Correct? How many orbitals are used? 2 1s orbitals are, atomic orbitals are used. 1s atomic orbitals. Each 1s orbital, that means helium that I explained, 1s atomic orbital means 1s2, another helium atom 1s2, correct? This is atomic orbital. So 2 atomic orbital contains, 1s atomic orbital contains 2 electrons, correct, my dear students? And when 2 atomic orbitals, this is atomic orbital of one atom, another atomic orbital of another atom. 2 atomic orbital of these 2 atoms combine and forms 2 molecular orbitals. Which are the 2 molecular orbital, my dear students? One is bonding molecular orbital, BMO. Bonding molecular orbital is nothing but sigma 1s, correct, my dear students? This is ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital, sigma star 1s, correct? So in sigma 1s how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. So you write 2 electrons. Sigma star 1s how many electrons are there? 2 electrons, correct? Total number of electron in atomic orbital 4, molecular orbital also 4. But molecular orbital 1 is bonding molecular orbital sigma 1s, lower energy, anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 1s, higher energy, total 4 electrons. My dear students, please note down, this is energy level diagram of helium. Okay. Now see, 1s atomic orbital of helium atom, 1s atomic orbital of helium atom, but this is molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital of helium atom, sigma 1s, anti-bonding molecular orbital of helium atom. Correct now, my dear students? Please note that. Next, my dear students, next is you have to find out bond order. For finding bond order, the formula is given, my dear students. What is the formula? Number of electrons in BMO, bonding molecular orbital. Bonding means there is no star. 2 electrons in bonding. Number of electrons in anti-bonding, 2 electrons. Divided by 2, correct? 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. 0 by 2, that I will write like that, okay. So, it's very important, my dear students. Here, between helium atom, there is no bond actually. What it says actually, bond order means number of bonds between two atoms. But actually, between helium atom, there is no bond. Understood? But it come and attract each other and come and form, stand like this. There is no bond formation, there is no hand giving, there is no hugging. Understood? But it come closer and stand. That is called a bond. Understood? Actually, by finding this one, by finding this method, there is no bond between helium. Bond order is 0. But even in gaseous state, helium come closer and exist closer. So, it is called helium molecule. Understood? Please note on this one. Bond order is 0. Write down. No bond exists between helium. No bond exists between helium molecule. Okay, please note down. My dear students, next is lithium molecule. See, electronic configuration of lithium atom first you have to write down. See, you have to find, you should draw energy level using MOT, molecular orbital theory. Find bond order of lithium molecule. Also you should write electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration, comma energy level diagram. Correct now, my dear students? So, what we can do now? That is very important. First method is lithium atom electronic configuration, you should know. Lithium single atom, 3 is the atomic number, 1s2, 2s1. Total how many atoms are there? 2 atoms are there. One more time you have to write 1s2, 2s1, another lithium atom. Correct now, my dear students? Lithium atom. So total in lithium 2 atoms are there. Total number of electrons is 2 plus 1, total 6 electrons in lithium. Correct? Li2, 6 electrons. My dear students, now it has become lithium molecule. Li2 becomes lithium molecule, 6 electrons. My dear students, next step is draw energy level diagram. Electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration for lithium. Molecular orbital electronic configuration for lithium. Alright, now what we can do now? Lithium you have to write electronic configuration 1s2. See, which electronic configuration I suppose use? Nitrogen electronic configuration. Understood? Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma star 2pz, sigma 2pz pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. My dear students, this is the electronic configuration of lithium, general electronic configuration. But we have only 6 electrons. So we are giving 6 electron. So you are using sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. This is enough, my dear students, because here 2 electron for this one, 2 electron for this orbital, 2 electron, here 2 electron. 6 is over and remaining part is not required. My dear students, no need to write this part actually. Only this much is enough. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, that is enough. If for writing exam also, molecular electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration of lithium is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. This is enough. Okay, my dear students, please note down, write down. Remaining part no need to write, it's wasting time. For understanding purpose, I just wrote this part actually. Written. Okay. Over. Shall I rub this? My dear students, next is energy level diagram. Energy level diagram. Energy increases, but in exam, board exam, most of the times they ask only find the bond order, no need of drawing energy level diagram. Okay, you are lucky again, but for understanding purpose you should know that how to write that particular. Okay, for example, 1s, how many atomic orbitals are there? 2 1s atomic orbitals of which one, my dear students? Of lithium atom. So this 2 1s atomic orbital contains 2 electrons. Correct now, my dear students? 1s atomic orbital. 2 1s atomic orbital combines gives 2 molecular orbital. One is bonding molecular orbital. It is named sigma 1s. Another one is anti-bonding. Anti-bonding, no, it is anti-bonding. Sigma star 1s. Okay. My dear students, here how many electron is present in sigma 1s2? 2 electrons. That you have to write here 2 electrons. Here sigma star 1s 2 electrons. That you have to write here 2 electrons. This is actually for 1s atomic orbital. If you are writing for 2s means again you are writing energy increases like this. My dear students, most of the time in exam they used to ask only for you write electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration and find the bond order. No need of writing energy level diagram. Sometimes, who knows who sets the question paper, if they asked means you should know this particular, understood, very simple. And how many 2s orbitals are there? Energy increases this way, okay. This is energy increases, okay. Here 2s atomic orbital, 2s atomic orbital, here also this one also 2s atomic orbital, correct. And down it gives bonding molecular orbital, 2 atomic orbitals combines and gives 2 molecular orbital. My dear students, please note this is 2s atomic orbital of lithium, understood, lithium. Here 2s atomic orbitals are there that I drawn actually. Here each atomic orbital contains 1 electrons, 1 electrons. 2 atomic orbital combines to gives 2 molecular orbital. One is a bonding molecular orbital sigma 2s, another one is a anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 2s. And here you see, my dear students, okay, total 6 electrons, sorry, my dear students, please note that here 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, understood, electronic configuration. Please note, my dear students, there is no electron in sigma star 2s because total number of electron is 2, 1, total 6 electrons. So 6 electrons you are giving 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, please note down my dear students, please note down, this is only 6 electrons. 6 electron, total atom, 2 atoms contains 3, 3, 6 electrons. So here there is no electron in sigma star 2s, sigma star 2s 0 electron, total 6 electron is over. That means here sigma 2s it contains 2 electrons, but 0 electron in anti-bonding sigma star 2s. This is electronic configuration. By mistake I wrote here 2 electron, my dear students, total number of electrons 6 electron, 2, 2, 2, 6 electron. Please note this, okay, only 6 electron. If I write here 2 means it becomes 8, who will give remaining 2? Myself I will put per not possible, no, okay. See, this is actually energy level diagram. My dear students, next is bond order, you have to find out, bond order. So finding bond order, my dear students, which formula is given? Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular means there is no star. Here actually these two are bonding. There is no star in this. 4 electrons are there. A number of electrons in anti-bonding, 2 electrons. Divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. 2 divided by 2 is how much? 1. That means there is a one bond between lithium molecule contain one bond. This is bond order. My dear students, next using MOT find electronic configuration of C2 dicarbon, okay, C2 molecule, and find its bond order, also find bond order, draw energy level diagram. This draw energy level diagram is just most of the times they never ask for your exam actually, don't worry about that, but it is very simple. If they ask means you write, no problem. Draw energy my dear students, carbon atomic number, single carbon atom atomic number 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz, I will write like this, okay, and 2px, 2p, how many electrons are there in this one? 1, total 6 electrons, here 0 electron in 2pz. And total how many carbon atom is there? 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom is no need of writing 2 times atomic number. You just write carbon atom contains 6 electrons. Total number of 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom contains 6 plus 6 total 12 electrons. So you know that electronic configuration of this one, molecular orbital electronic configuration. See, in all short form I am writing molecular orbital electronic configuration of carbon. So I will write here sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and sigma phi 2px, phi 2py, and sigma star sigma 2pz, and pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. This is electronic configuration, nitrogen electronic configuration. Correct now. That nitrogen, till nitrogen, which electronic configuration is used, that electronic configuration is applicable for carbon also. After nitrogen, just oxygen electronic configuration. We generally say it is oxygen electronic configuration. Even for fluorine, we used to say it is oxygen molecular orbital electronic configuration. Means from oxygen, different electronic configuration starts. Okay, till nitrogen, one electronic configuration. That is applicable even for carbon also. My dear students, we have 12 electrons. We should apply this to 12 electrons. How to give? Here 2, 2, 2, 2. Correct? Total how many electrons is over? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12. There are 4 electrons remaining. Correct? No, my dear students, 4 more electrons is remaining. First you have to give 1 electron, because these two are same energy orbital. Pi 2px and pi 2py having same energy orbital. You should give 2 electrons. Okay, if there any extra electron is there, then you should give 2 electron. Understood? You know that Hund's rule of multiplicity. Each orbital, same energy orbital should get 1 electron first. Later you have to give with later you have to fill it with the 2 electrons. But here pi 2px and pi 2py in molecular orbital same energy. Sigma 2pz energy level is different. Don't put 1 electron for this also, because this I put is equal symbol, pi 2px equal to pi 2py. That means these two molecular orbital are same energy orbital. So first I am giving 1 electron. Extra electron is so possible. So 2 more extra electron is there. So I will change this one to 2. Now total number of electrons 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 electron is given. So in exam you can write till here, no problem. Remaining part is not required. Understood? Okay. Okay. If you write remaining part, it is correct only. It is not mistake. If you skip this part also, it is okay. Okay. My dear students, total 12 electrons that is given. Okay. You know that one is energy level diagram. Energy increases. Okay. This way energy increases. How many 1s orbitals are there? 2 1s orbital of 2 atomic carbon atom. That is, it contains 2 electrons, and it combine, it gives 2 molecular orbital. Which are 2 molecular orbital? Bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Correct? No? Here 2 electrons are in bonding molecular, anti-bonding 2 electrons. So ABMO, sigma star 1s, sigma 1s. This orbital contains, and it gives 2 bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital having 2 electron, anti-bonding molecular orbital having 2 electrons. Correct? No? Next 2s energy level diagram. 2s energy level. 2s atomic orbital combines of this one, 2s, this 2, and having these 2 having 2 electrons. Correct? No, my dear students? And it gives 2 molecular orbitals. Which are the 2 molecular? One is bonding molecular orbital, another one is anti-bonding. Bonding molecular orbital contains 2 electron, anti-bonding contains 2 electron. 2 electrons, 2 electrons. Sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. This is just 2s atomic orbital. Here this is, okay. This is BMO, ABMO. My dear students, next is, so total 2px, 2py, 2pz, 3 atomic orbitals of one atom. 2px, 2py, 2pz. Another atomic orbital, this one, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Correct now, my dear students? And total 6 atomic orbital of carbon atom, carbon molecule combines, and it gives carbon combines, and it gives 6 molecular orbital, 3 bonding molecular orbital, 3 anti-bonding molecular. I explained last class how to write energy level. So bonding, first you have to write this particular pi 2px and pi 2py. pi 2px, pi 2py having same energy. Pi 2px, pi 2py same energy. Next higher energy is sigma 2pz. Sigma 2pz. Correct? Next anti-bonding you have to write at the top. Pi 2px and pi 2py next higher energy. Sorry, pi star. Pi star 2px, pi star 2py. Correct? No? Next higher energy sigma star 2pz. This one. Correct? What are my dear students? Okay. So I'll put a link. Link means just you connect this one. Okay, just like this. Can draw better than this. Okay. Okay. Here 2px1 gives 1 electron, 2py1 gives 1 electron, 0 electron in 2pz. Here next atomic orbital also 2px1 gives 1 electron, 2py1 gives 1 electron, 0 electron in 2pz. Same time molecular orbital anti-bonding pi 2px contains 2 electrons, that you write 2 electrons here. Pi 2py contains 2 electrons and there is no electron in sigma 2pz, there is no electron in sigma star here pi star 0 0 electrons. Understood? Only pi 2px and pi 2py contains electrons, remaining all is vacant orbital. You are just writing. Okay, my dear students. Okay, this you connect like this. Okay, same energy level atomic orbitals. Draw neatly. Okay. Bond order. How to find bond order for this one? Number of electron in bonding molecular orbital. Bonding means no star. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. Number of electrons in anti-bonding. 2, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 divided by 2. So much. 2. Carbon molecule contains 2 bond between 2 bond. Okay, no doubt. Carbon and carbon contains 2 bonds. Today we are going to discuss about MOT of oxygen molecule from chemical bonding chapter. In that one, energy level diagram, molecular orbital, electronic configuration, bond energy, bond order of oxygen molecules you have to find out. Oxygen, you know that, my dear students, 2 oxygen atom, atomic number is 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. This is electronic configuration of oxygen atom. Next oxygen atom I will write, my dear students, here 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. My dear students, total 16 electrons. Total 16 electrons. You know that this is actually atomic orbital electronic configuration. Molecular orbital electronic configuration. Molecular orbital electronic configuration. Electron configuration for oxygen, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After that sigma 2pz comes first, then pi 2px, pi 2py, then pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. These are electronic configuration, my dear students. Okay, here very important note is sigma 2pz comes before pi. Okay. Now we have how many electrons? We have given with 16 electrons. Oxygen having 16 electrons. So you are giving 2 electrons in each orbital. 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First you have to give 1, 1, 9, 10, 11, 12 over. Extra electron is there. Then you can give 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My dear students, here these two are same energy level. These two are same energy level. So when you give 2 electron, you should distribute equally 1 electron here. 1 total 16 electron. If there any extra electron is there, then you can give here 2. Understood? No problem. Total number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct now, my dear students? Okay. Then you are drawing energy level diagram, my dear students. The same actually for 1s. It is quite common. No need of drawing every time. This 1s is same. 2 electron anti-bonding, bonding and anti-bonding. So I will start with the energy increases this way. 2s. This is 2s atomic orbital. Another oxygen atom, another 2s atomic orbital. This 2s atomic orbital contains 2 electrons here. Here also 2 electron. This contains 2 electron. Another oxygen atom contains 2 electron. 2s atomic orbital. These 2 atomic orbital of oxygen, 2s atomic orbital of oxygen, and combine, and it gives 2 molecular orbital. One is bonding molecular orbital, another one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. One is bonding molecular orbital, another one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here bonding molecular orbital is nothing but sigma 1s BMO, lower energy. ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital, sigma star 1s. Which one, my dear students? Here sigma 1s, sorry, not 1s, okay, just okay. I will start with 1s, no problem. 1s, okay. 1s atomic orbital. This one, okay. Later, no need of writing this 1s, 2s again. This and all understood. Okay. Here 1s contains 2 electron, 2s contains sigma star contains 2 electron. That you write like this. Okay. Now next is 2s. Energy increases this way. Okay. Energy. My dear student, this is one 2s orbital of this one, another 2s orbital of this particular. Okay. These two combine and gives 2 orbital, molecular orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital named sigma 2s, and this is give one more anti-bonding molecular orbital is named sigma star 2s. My dear students, here 2 electron is present in one of the 2s orbital, another 2s orbital contains 2 electron, my dear students. And same type, these two are molecular orbital. This is bonding sigma 2s, this is anti-bonding sigma 2s. In bonding sigma 2s, 2 electron is present, that you are writing 2 and anti-bonding having 2 electrons. Okay, like this. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to write about energy diagram of 2p. 2p x 3 orbitals are there. 2p x, 2p y, 2p z. Here also another oxygen atom contains 3 orbital. The first oxygen 2px, 2py, 2pz. Another oxygen atom 2px, 2py, 2pz. My dear students, here I will write here 2px, 2py, 2pz, and here 2px, 2py, 2pz. Okay, my dear student. 6 atomic orbital of oxygen combines and it gives 6 molecular orbital, 3 bonding molecular orbital having lower energy, 3 anti-bonding molecular orbital. My dear students, very important thing is you should know that which one comes first. Sigma 2pz having lower energy, so it comes first. Sigma 2pz anti-bonding. Next comes not anti-bonding, bonding BMO, and next BMO pi 2px and pi 2py. It's these two are same equal energy. Correct? No? Like this. Here I will name. Okay. Sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2p, pi 2py, pi 2py. Correct? Now, my dear students. Okay. Now next you are getting anti-bonding. Anti-bonding you have to write. In anti-bonding, which comes first, my dear students? Pi star 2px, pi star 2py, then sigma star 2pz. Correct now, my dear students? And here you are joining this particular, here also this thing you are joining. just you join this orbital, okay. Okay, you join here. Just you are joining, okay. Now you check in 2pz how many electrons are there? 1 electron. 2py 1 electron. 2px 2 electron. Correct now, my dear students? And here also 2px 2 electron. 2py 1 electron. 2pz 1 electron. Now you check in sigma 2pz how many electron is present? In sigma 2pz molecular orbital contains 2 electrons, and pi 2px molecular orbital contains 2 electrons. Pi 2py molecular orbital contains 2 electrons, and pi star 2px contains 1 electron. Pi star 2py contains 1 electron, and sigma star 2pz 0 electron. There is no electron in this particular. Note down, my dear students. And see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron is present in atomic orbital. The same 8 you should get in the molecular orbital also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is very important. Don't simply put electrons. After that you are writing molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. That is different. After that the electrons are not balanced, means it is wrong. Understood? So my dear students, my suggestion is with easy thing is you just write these 3 box first, 2p. After that this another oxygen atom, 3 2p orbitals are there, that you write. After that you know that if 6 atomic orbital combines, 6 molecular orbital gives down 3 bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding comes next. That you should know that which comes first. Here this comes first, so you are writing at the bottom. Next this 2. Understood? Same energy. Next this 2 anti-bonding. Next this one. Electron you just check here. 2px contains 2 electron. Just you write 2px 2 electron, 2py 1 electron, 2pz 1 electron. Like that only for this also. And while filling here, you just check with this particular electronic configuration. Okay, molecular orbital electronic configuration of oxygen. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. That you put 2 2. Here 1 1 is there. 1 1. That is enough. This is actually energy level diagram. My dear students, this energy level diagram is not important for you people for board concern. Okay, just they will ask, write the electronic configuration. You should write this electronic configuration. After that you should write this electronic configuration. Okay, and after that, see, this is actually not necessary. If you are drawing this energy level diagram, this is important. Otherwise, direct if they ask 2 marks question or 3 marks question, if they directly ask, write molecular orbital electronic configuration of oxygen, means you write this one only. Direct you fill 16 electron, tick 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 tick, you will, no problem. Understood? And after that bond order you have to find out. Bond order you know that number of electrons bonding molecular orbital, number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO divided by 2. Correct? Here my dear students, you check number of electrons in BMO. BMO means there is no star. 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 minus ABMO anti-bonding 2, 4, 5, 6 divided by 2. My dear students, 4 divided by 2 means 2, correct no? So that there is 2 bond between oxygen and oxygen. Oxygen contains 2 bonds. Bond order of oxygen is 2. That means oxygen molecule contains 2 bonds. So very simple, my dear students. If you have any doubt, you can ask. My dear students, heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear diatomic molecules, is one more concept, heteronuclear diatomic molecules. That means different nucleus. For example, carbon and oxygen. These two molecules having different nucleus. Correct? No. Say not same type. Different types of nucleus and diatomic. Two atoms are there. And nitric oxide. Okay. In this, how to find bond order, electronic configuration, and energy level diagram is not important in this case. If they asked to find bond order of this particular, for example, find the bond order of carbon monoxide and write the electronic configuration. Molecular orbital electronic configuration. Okay, molecular orbital electronic configuration. My dear students, first thing is you should write carbon and oxygen. Carbon 6 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0, 6. And oxygen 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py, 2pz, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct now, my dear students? Total 8 plus 6 electrons. 14 electrons. Correct now, my dear students? 8 plus 6, 14 electrons present in a carbon monoxide. Correct. So, sir, for this one, which electronic configuration, molecular orbital electronic configuration, I suppose use, that question arises. Correct no? For this one, oxygen electronic configuration you have to follow. Means you have to use oxygen electronic configuration. 2pz comes first. Which one? Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, phi star 2px, sorry, not pi star, phi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. See, my dear students, this is given. This is given. In this, see, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. This is same as we discussed for oxygen atom. Same it is used for even carbon monoxide. So, total 14 electrons are there. Just you are giving 14 electrons here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you can give 1, 1, okay. Now 2, 2 you can give because each orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. 14 electrons you are given. This is electronic configuration of carbon monoxide. Understood? My dear students, energy level diagram of this particular is not important. I am not drawing this particular energy level diagram. And bond order you know that number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO divided by 2. And here BMO 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 4, 4. 6 divided by 2. That means 3. 3 bond is exist between carbon monoxide. 3 bonds exist between carbon monoxide. Between carbon and oxygen, 3 bond is present. Understood? Please note down, my dear students. My dear students, and nitric oxide, in this one you have to find out bond order, electronic configuration. You are following the same method, nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct, no? Now oxygen 8 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2px 1, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay. Total number of electrons 8 plus 7, 15 electrons, my dear students. So, which electronic configuration? Same oxygen electronic configuration you are using for this also. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s and sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py and pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Okay, my dear students, here you can see you have to give electrons, 2 electrons in each orbital, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again you are writing, first you have to distribute 14. See how many electrons? 15 electrons, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15. Here only one electron is present in pi star 2px. There is no more electrons to give for this particular, understood? If there any extra electron is there, means you could have give for this pi star 2py also. Only one electron is given for pi star 2px. Now bond order, my dear students. You have to find number of electrons bonding BMO minus ABMO divided by 2. So BMO contains how many electrons? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 divided by 2, means 2 and half, my dear students. That means 2 and half, one partial bond is present between nitrogen. 2 full length bond is there, one partial bond is present like this. So it is called 2 and half bond. Partially one bond is formed, half bond. Sorry, how that half bond forms means it's a partial bond. If you ask whether but the bond formation is completely, no, it's not completed. Just bond formation, partial bond formation, understood? So it is called 2 and half bond formation in the nitric oxide. Okay, my dear students. The same electronic configuration of oxygen is used for carbon monoxide and nitric oxide. That's okay. Okay, my dear students, one more important property we have to study, magnetic property. two types of magnetic properties are there. One is paramagnetic property, another one is diamagnetic property, my dear students. Paramagnetic property, second one is diamagnetic property. In these two you can see, my dear students, if the electronic configuration contains any unpaired electrons, if any unpaired electron is present, it is considered as a paramagnetic. If there is no unpaired electron, no unpaired, all are paired, that means all are paired, then it is considered as a diamagnetic. My dear students, while writing the electronic configuration of carbon, you know that molecule C2. Okay, how to write C2? Total number of electron is C2. 6 plus 6, 12 electrons. Correct now, my dear students? 12 electrons you are giving in the molecular orbital. Okay. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Like that. You are giving 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 12 electrons. Okay. In carbon, C2. Okay. Diatomic carbon. It is dicarbon. Okay. It is not carbon, dicarbon. Not if it is single carbon, you can call it as carbon. If it is this one is dicarbon, 2 carbon is there. Total number of electron is 12. 6 plus 6, 12 electrons. So you are giving 12 electron in molecular orbital electronic configuration of carbon. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then which comes actually pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct now, my dear students? In this electronic configuration, remaining after that you are writing sigma 2pz 0 electron, pi star 2px 0 electron, pi star 2py 0 electron, pi, so sigma star 2pz. So there is no electron in this particular, only till there it is over. My dear students, every time the question they will ask, write the electronic configuration of carbon, dicarbon. Same time you have to write bond order. You have to find out bond order, that you know that BO. Sometimes if they ask energy level diagram, that you have to draw. Already this discussion is over. Along with that, they used to ask one more property is magnetic property. Whether this compound dicarbon is which magnetic property it shows. Which magnetic property? If these all are paired means which one? It is no unpaired electron. It is diamagnetic. My dear students, we will consider oxygen we will take. Okay. Well, no, nitrogen will take. Nitrogen next. How many electrons are there in nitrogen, my dear students? 7 plus 7, 14 electrons are there. So you are writing the same electronic configuration. Sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma 2pz. Here you can see, my dear students, total 14 electrons, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After that again it is continuation is there. Pi star 2px 0 electron, pi star 2py 0 electron, and sigma star 2pz 0 electron, my dear students. There is no electron in this particular. Now in this case all the electrons are paired. Paired means 2 electrons are there. Okay, there is no electron in this particular remaining orbital. Unpaired, it is not unpaired, it is vacant. Unpaired means if it contains single electron. If it contains single electron, then it is considered as unpaired. These are vacant, remaining all vacant. So this is actually diamagnetic. All are paired. Diamagnetic. My dear students, next we will study about oxygen. Oxygen we will study. Oxygen, you know that electronic configuration is different. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then sigma 2pz. Correct? Then here sigma 2pz comes first. Pi 2px, pi 2py. Correct? Pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Okay. Total oxygen having total number of 16 electrons. Correct now, my dear students? 16. So we have to give 2 electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct now, my dear students? 15, 16. Here you can see these two pi star 2px and pi star 2py. These two orbital having single electrons. These two orbital having single electrons. That means unpaired electron. If it is unpaired electron, then it is called paramagnetic. 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 Okay. So, carbon monoxide also you can find out, nitric oxide, if there is unpaired electron present in that particular, while writing the electronic configuration, if any of the orbital contains single electron, then it is called unpaired electron. Then that unpaired electron is called paramagnetic, and remaining all, if it is completely filled, vacant orbital you just leave. Vacant orbital is not unpaired. Unpaired means if it contains single electron. Understood? Single electron, so it is paramagnetic. Remaining all is diamagnetic, my dear students. So these questions are very important for exam concern. Every time they used to ask this type of questions. Along with the bond order, electronic configuration, also you have to find out this one, magnetic property. This is very simple. If you know how to write the electronic configuration, after that you are finding whether it contains any unpaired electron or not. If it contains any unpaired electrons, you are writing that it is paramagnetic. Understood? So for all questions what we discussed earlier, lithium electronic configuration same, this same type of, for example I will write lithium if you want. Lithium 3 electrons, total 6 electrons, correct? No, lithium molecule 6 electrons. So which electronic configuration? Nitrogen electronic configuration, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Here 2, 2, 2, 2, total 6 electron is over. No need of writing remaining part. Okay. Total 6 electron. Is there any unpaired electron is present in this orbital? No unpaired electron. So it is called diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. Lithium is diamagnetic. Then my dear students, lithium is over. Now which comes? Next which comes? Helium. Helium 4 electrons. So it is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. It's nothing but 4 electron is over. This is also diamagnetic. Next, hydrogen, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s0. There is no electron. This is also diamagnetic, my dear students. Diamagnetic. There is no unpaired electron.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.